Hi there, I'm Teresa, a licensed social worker. I love sharing bits of my world through vlogs, in of social work, lifestyle, and all the fun stuff in between. Grab your skewer and let's grill kebabs together for a friend's dinner. Check the comment or description for the recipe. Let's get into this vlog. Add all the ingredients to the beef, rub it nice and slow. Let it stay marinated all through the night. The reason is because you want it to be juicy after it is grilled. Okay, slice your onions, bell peppers of all colors, stack them all onto the stick. Some people do use cucumber, but for this video I did not. I only use onions and bell peppers. Okay, let's move on to the next stage. Nicely arrange them onto the grill. I kind of slanted this onto the grill so it could accommodate one grill, and it did work. Continue to flip the kebab so it could cook slowly and nicely. Once that is done, I transfer the kebabs onto the chopping board and shared the kebabs. I took some to my friend's house. She loved it. Her friends loved it. We all had some good time together. Thank you for watching. Please like, follow, and share. Bye now. See you on the next one.